Are you ready to take your video production to cinematic levels? Whether you are a filmmaker, a content creator, or an aspiring YouTube star, the right camera can completely transform your storytelling. In this video, we are counting down the top 5 best videography 4K cameras that deliver unmatched performance, color science, and professional-grade recording. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Number 5. Canon EOS R5 C. The Canon EOS R5 C offers hybrid creators a unique proposition: the power of an 8,000-pixel cinema camera in a mirrorless body. Designed for both high-resolution photography and professional-grade video, it houses a 45-megapixel CMOS sensor and Canon's Digic X processor. This enables the R5 C to shoot internal 8,000-pixel RAW video at up to 60 frames per second, a feature that puts it at the forefront of innovation. The camera includes Canon's dual-pixel autofocus system with eye and head detection, ensuring sharp, accurate focus in dynamic environments. It also supports Canon Log, HDR, and multiple cinema profiles for those who prefer to color grade in post. Importantly, the internal fan ensures uninterrupted recording even at the highest resolutions, something missing in many hybrid cameras. Professional users will appreciate the wide array of recording formats, including MP4, XFAVC, and RAW, as well as dual card slots and timecode sync capability. Number 4. Panasonic LUMIX GH6. The Panasonic LUMIX GH6 is a standout for videographers who want incredible versatility and long-form recording without time limits. Built around a 25.2-megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor and the latest Venus engine, the GH6 offers detailed 4,572 by 3,048 pixel recording at up to 60 frames per second and 10-bit color depth. It also supports internal Apple ProRes recording and Vlog/VGamut profiles, making it ideal for high-end editing workflows. With over 13 stops of dynamic range and a host of frame rate and codec options, the GH6 is as comfortable shooting cinematic narrative work as it is tackling corporate videos, live events, or social media content. Stabilization is another strong point. The 7.5-stop, 5-axis image stabilization system is excellent for handheld shooting. Number 3. Sony Alpha FX3. Sony has another strong contender with the Alpha FX3, designed for independent filmmakers and content creators who want cinema-grade results in a compact body. Unlike traditional mirrorless cameras, the FX3 bridges the gap between professional video cameras and mirrorless systems by including top-tier recording features in a lightweight, handheld-friendly form. It features a full-frame sensor capable of capturing 4,120 pixel resolution at up to 120 frames per second. Number 2. Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera. For those who prioritize raw cinematic performance and flexible post-production workflows, the Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro is an outstanding option. It features a Super 35 image sensor with a resolution of 6,144 by 3,456, which translates to remarkable detail and dynamic range. It also offers 13 stops of dynamic range and dual native ISO up to 25,600, allowing videographers to shoot confidently in nearly any lighting condition. Where this camera excels is in its RAW recording capabilities. You can capture footage in Blackmagic RAW or Apple ProRes, giving you maximum flexibility when color grading and editing in professional software like DaVinci Resolve, which is included with the camera. It also supports external SSD recording via USB Type-C, offering even greater control over your storage. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7S III. The Sony Alpha 7S III leads this list for a reason. It is purpose-built for professional videographers who demand both cinematic quality and field versatility. At the heart of this camera lies a 12.1-megapixel full-frame sensor that is optimized specifically for video rather than just photography. This allows for high-speed performance and improved sensitivity in nearly any lighting condition. Combined with the Bion's XR engine, it delivers incredible clarity with up to 8 times faster processing speed compared to its predecessor. What truly makes this camera stand out is its ability to shoot in 4120 pixel resolution at up to 120 frames per second in 10-bit 4x2x2 color. This means your footage will be incredibly sharp, smooth, and color-rich right out of the camera. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and see current pricing. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert gear reviews every week.